Today I'm going to do a real quick review of a Harbor Freight welding table. It's not very big. The box is not very heavy, so I don't really have high expectations of it. Here's the box. It's supposed to come with all of the stuff there. Bunch of clamps and other stuff. We'll see. Here's the receipt. It was $207. So we'll get it put together and see how good it is. Not much to it. Well, it's not horrible, but at the same time, I wouldn't say it's good. These are short ones. I guess if you want to put it on top of another table, it's a little smaller than I was expecting. Those are okay. Nothing wonderful. I think it needs a little bit added to it. Like here. That's kind of cheap. I think all in all, I would rate it. I'm not a big metal worker, just kind of a little hobbyist. So I would probably rate this about a 7 for a hobbyist. If you're a serious fabricator, I'd say you don't want it at all. Now that's much better. It's about the perfect height for a short guy. So after adding to it, I would say now it's a 8 out of 10, which is okay, which is actually pretty good. So I hope my little review helps some people out, and remember to subscribe and like my videos or you'll hurt my feelings. Come on, Granny. This is Granny Coon. She is about 10 or 12 years old. You can kind of see how old she is. I just thought everybody would enjoy that. And this, I believe, we've got a couple. This is Annie. I don't know if it's a female or a male, but she was abandoned, he was abandoned, whatever it is, by its mother, so we called it Orphan Annie. So we got Granny and Orphan Annie, and then occasionally a few other ones show up, but for the most part, that's all there is.